How many seconds will it take you to solve this JAMB question? What about this one and this one? These are all JAMB bonus questions that can be solved even without putting pen on paper. In this video, I will guide you step by step using LogicBridge approach. Are you ready? The first question says, make y subject of the formula z is equals to x squared plus 1 all over y cubed. We are to make this y subject of the formula. Solution: z is equals to x squared plus 1 all over y cubed. We are to make this y subject of the formula. For we to see y alone, the first thing is to take all other terms to the other sides. So here we can simply have z minus x squared is equals to 1 all over y cubed. If I want to see my y alone, this is over 1. The next thing to do is to reciprocate each side. So here, instead of 1 over y, we are going to have y cubed is equals to, here instead of z minus x squared, we are going to have 1 all over z minus x squared. Then the next thing here is, here we have y cubed, and we want y, not y cubed. So what can we introduce? Power 1 over 3, right? So we have to introduce power 1 over 3, and we have to introduce power 1 over 3. Remember, whatever we do to left hand side, we must do to right hand side. So here we'll be left with what? 3 will cancel 3. And therefore we will have y is equals to 1 to power of anything is 1 all over z minus x squared all to the power of 1 all over 3. Can you see? So the answer is what? C. The last question we have in this video says, if gt squared minus u minus w is equals to 0, make g the subject of the formula gt squared minus u minus w. So if we're looking for g, it means we have to shift all other terms to the other hand side. So we will have gt squared. This is minus. When we shift it to this side, it becomes what? Plus. This is another minus. When we shift it to the other side, it becomes what? Plus. So we have gt squared is equals to u plus w. We are looking for g. And what is preventing us from seeing our g is t squared? So it means we are dividing both sides by t squared. T squared cancel t squared. So we will now be left with g is equals to u plus w all over t squared. U plus w all over t squared. U plus w all over t squared. Can you see? As simple as that. This is LogicBridge Academy. See you in my next video. Thank you.